this is me, Anisha of 2nd MBA, and I am going to present a topic on advertisement analysis. So, what is called advertisement? We all know about advertisement. We all come across advertisements in our day-to-day life through the magazines, phones, and newspapers, and through online advertisements we are seeing in our internet like Facebook, Instagram, and so many things. So first we see about the introduction of advertisement. So advertisement introduction, it's an effective and efficient technique to promote the goods and services and ideas in the market. It's the paid form of the non-personal communication. Advertisement also promotes and supplements the selling of the products, goods and services to the greater extent. So next, advertisement, we see the definition of advertisement. Advertising is the market communication that employs an openly sponsored non-personal message to promote or sell a product or a service. And advertising industry, in the world there have the evolved the industry of advertisement, and Indian advertisement industry is evolved from a small scale industry to a full-fledged industry, and it is speak about the second fastest growing advertisement industry in Asia after the China. So next we see about the overview of advertisement industry. So overview, it have been seen as primarily and secondary. The first primary view of advertisement is to promote the product and services of the company to generate the sales, and the second view is to create the brand entity and introduce the new products and services and communicating a change in the existing product line. So there are various needs of the advertisements and uses, and now we are going to see the nature of advertisement. So first is the attention seeker. Advertisement seek the attention of the customers and the people to communicate and what and the matter is. Second, it has a unique selling proposition, and it has the visually attractive. Advertisements composed of various methods to capture, like using animations also, like example Vodafone. And third, that it's a consumer oriented. And fifth one is the uses various media. Advertisement using the various media such as the newspapers, magazines, print media. They are comprised of the print media and the online and the digital media like television, computer, and etc. Next, we see about the history of advertisement. The first advertisement was printed in 1472 in an English handbook, and it is the announcement of the paper book for sale. The first advertisement in the 17th century offering a reward for the finding 12 stolen horses, and the first agency was evolved is the Olney B. Pambler. It's opened in the Philadelphia in 1841, and the oldest American agency is J. Wadler Thompson. So next we see about the entry of other medium. Advertisement evolved from various medias. Like first in the 17th century, it was created ads and appeared in the English newspapers only, and in the 19th century, it has been comprised of the illustrations and color ads appeared. In the 1920, advertisement become commercial, and it has been evolved in the radio, and in 1950 it is telecast in the TV, become the mass commercial medium. Next, advertisement agency. Advertising agency. An advertising agency is an independent organization set up to render the services. It has to create the ad films, design the print ads, and it also prepare the slogans, brochures, and logos also. An advertisement industry, it is an industry which evolved to issue the press releases for upcoming programs and events also. There are so many advertising industries. We are seeing about the first top 10 advertising industries in India. It is listed as DDB Mudra, Dentsu Communications Private Limited, FCB Advertising Agency, Ogilvy and Mather, Grey Worldwide Private Limited, JWT, Madison Communications, MC Can Ericsson India Private Limited, and Rediffusion D. And now we see about the advantages of advertisement. Advantages. The first advantage is it stimulate production. It means that the demand for the products can be increased. So it increased demand stimulates the production. So more production means more leads to more prosperity. And the next one is stimulate the national income. Even the advertisements contribute to the national income by generating the more communications demand and even also the production. It also creates the employment opportunities. It eases the unemployment problems by generating the more employment opportunities in the countries. And the improved standard of living. Advertisement plays a major role in improving the standard of living of our country by the availability of the useful information, mass production, and mass distribution. So many other such positive outcomes of advertisement improve the standard of living of the people. And commercialization of the inventions. So it is useful to commercialize or materialize the new useful inventions. New inventions benefit these societies. So next, disadvantages. So disadvantages, the first is high price to the consumers. Advertisement increases the cost of the product. So the cost increase, the people have to pay high price for the products and it is heavily advertised. Companies do not forget their products, so they fix high prices to the products. And next, the wastage of the national resources. Due to the excessive use or the profiliation of advertisement, valuable natural resources are wasted. And third is impulsive buying. Advertisement leads to impulsive buying behavior of the customers. It creates unnecessary needs. People are emotionally forced to buy the products. Sometimes it indicates the people to buy the unnecessary products also. The fourth one is fraud to the customers. The most important is the fraud and the misleading, deceptive implications. The most claims are extracted and the advertisement has the little truth and a lot of contents of false materials also. So next, creation of monopoly. Effective advertisement campaign creates a permanent place for the certain brands in the market, and it blocks the entry of other competitors. So monopoly also has the ill effect and it is the great disadvantage of advertisement. So next, challenges. So challenge and strategies faced is its content of first the point is the point of contact, and then it leads to the unique approach, and then to the targeting the right audience, and then it leads to the medium of advertisement, and last it builds the value of money. So it is a cyclic process of the challenges and strategies of advertisements. So now we see the SWOT: strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats of advertisement. So first, strength, it includes all the tasks that an organization does best as the factors which the strength of the relationship as the customer's relationship is the must for the product to sell. Next, the weakness is the most common weakness is includes the position of the clients who consist mainly of the business with low quality products and services. Next is see about opportunities. Opportunities are the external factors over the advertisement agency has no control. So the organization might has to choose to move into the new international marketplace, but effective competitors do not exist. The fourth one is the threat. It also include as the external factors and the organization has no more control on it. So the issue is fluctuating market conditions and or upcoming legislation that will affect the how organization does the business. Next, growth rate. So we see on the growth rate, the media growth rate increases from digital to cinema, from the print. First we see about the print to radio to ODH and the television, and now it's digital. The advertisement is mostly on concentrate on the digital advertisements, so people can view and they easily find it attractive. The final is the conclusion. So now it's the time to conclude that the future of advertisement is challenging and it has the bright and unlimited. So as unlimited as the imaginations, the marketing communication professionals who are constantly seeking the more effective and efficient means to promote the brands and companies they present. Thank you.